Hello, my name is Otasowi Osayande, and this is my Lab2A demonstration video, ABB robot. Now I'm going to ensure the robot is in teach mode, auto mode is on. Let's begin the simulation. And the robot's going to the ready position, and then it's going to move down to the approach position right now. And from the approach position, it goes to the peak position, and it goes back up to the approach position, and then to the ready position. And now it's going to the stamping position to stop the part. Notice how the tool, end of arm tooling orientation has been changed. And now it goes forward in the tool direction by 100 and goes backwards by 100 millimeters. And it goes back to the first position and then to the ready position. This particular subroutine is being called twice, so it's going to run 2 times. Part has been picked up at this point, and the robot is going back to the ready position again. And once it gets to the ready position, the pick place subroutine is being called to place the part at the final station 1. Thank you very much.